Today I'm going to share with you 2 easy ways to help customers who first find you figure out which planner they should buy from you. Now, this specifically applies to people who have dated planners and maybe have a weekly layout, a monthly layout, academic planners. So this is someone who is a plannerpreneur who has a line of planners versus someone who has a system. So let's find out the 2 secrets on how you can do that. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings on Saturdays. Today we're going to talk about 2 easy tips I have for you on how to sell planners to new customers or even your existing customers, because as you expand your planner line, and let's say you offer an annual, a monthly, a weekly, a desk pad, a planner folio, maybe you have a new system where people can kind of make their own planners. You have academic, you have a pregnancy planner, right? So it gets a little overwhelming for people. And as studies have shown, the more options you give people, the more confused they are, and they actually may just get so overwhelmed they don't make any choice at all. So we don't want that to happen. The number one recommendation I have for you is to make it fun, to simply give people a quiz. So if you look at Emily Lee's site, she took it off, but a few months ago she had a quiz on which planner is the right planner for you. And it went through a couple easy questions. We're not talking about a very involved personality test or anything. You simply ask people, their style, what their favorite colors are based on some of the products you offer. And at the end, the quiz kind of tells you which products you could buy and maybe which ones are best for you. It never tells you which ones you shouldn't buy. It simply gives you a list of priorities of which ones it thinks you will like the best. The second method is to use an infographic. Now, I think infographics are amazing. These can be used in blog posts. You can send this out in an email. You could send this as a welcome email to people once they sign up for your list. And of course, on Pinterest, everybody loves an infographic. And I have one that easily shows you with all the different products that I have, which planner is the best one for you. Now, if you are in my planner premium course, you actually will be getting this, or you should have this already in your inbox for free. It is an InDesign template that I created. So, again, you can just plug and play your own things in there. And if you are interested in learning more about planners, taking the course, and obviously getting this free infographic, then I will leave the information for that below as well. So just to recap, what did we learn? First, you could use a quiz. This is really easy, and it just kind of walks people through and tells them at the end which product from your shop it would recommend. There are so many different quiz tools out there, so just kind of find one that you like. And I would strongly suggest using a visual quiz tool. I think those are more engaging. The second one is to create an infographic. Mostly, I would say target it towards Pinterest. I think that's where you're going to get the most bang for your buck. And of course, you could create ones for blog posts and emails as well. All right, I hope that was helpful, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.